This week on Taylor's Travels, we review the Radmini from Rad Power Bikes. This independent review is not sponsored by Rad Power Bikes. We purchased 2 of their bikes, and these are our impressions. Rad Power Bikes is a Seattle-based company selling a very popular line of e-bikes. The bikes are made in China and sold direct to consumer out of the Seattle office, though there is a flagship store in Seattle. Shipping the bikes from China to Seattle and then to the consumer can sometimes create problems. We bought 2 of their Radmini Step-thru bikes. One came with a broken shifter. The other arrived missing pedals, headlight, battery charger, and owner's manual. Fortunately, Rad's customer service department seems accustomed to dealing with these types of problems. The missing parts were shipped without question. The shifter was out of stock, so Rad paid for VeloFix, a company that does bike repair at your home, to supply a new shifter and install it. By the way, the VeloFix service was excellent. While he was here, he made sure both bikes were properly tuned up at no extra charge. We bought the minis because they fold, and that would make it easier to transport them on camping trips. The bike uses a 48-volt lithium battery and a 750-watt geared hub motor. The Mini has a 7-speed derailleur and manual disc brakes. When you power up the bike, a display shows battery power, which pedal assist level you are at, your speed, and an odometer that can switch to a trip meter. Riding the bike is a joy. As you pedal, the motor assists you. At lower pedal assist levels, it's like someone gently pushing the bike to help you. The higher the pedal assist level, the easier the pedaling. This is especially helpful on hills. The assistance takes strain off your knees. It's easy to change the pedal assist level while riding, and using the correct combination of gears and pedal assistance will handle just about any situation. Keeping the pedal assistance at lower levels lets you still get a good workout while riding. The bikes also come with a bell for warning pedestrians and a throttle. Turning the throttle applies full power to the bike regardless of your pedal assist setting. So what's our final verdict on the Radmini? Well, if I was going to give it a grade, I'd give it a B+. The bike is fun to ride, but we wish we hadn't had missing parts or damage when we received the bikes. However, Rad customer service did eventually take care of that for us. Again, the bike is a lot of fun to ride. I have a bad knee, and it makes bike riding much more pleasurable. So overall, I think it's a good investment. That's our episode this week. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And when you do, click on the little bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll be sure to be notified when we post more videos. Again, thanks for watching.